Hello students, in our previous class we have learnt availability of water, forms of water and groundwater as an important source of water. Now we will discuss about the next topic, that is depletion of water table, various factors causing this and our role to tackle this. At lot of places it is very difficult to locate the water table because the water table itself does not exist very prominently. That is a very serious thing. That shows that there is not enough water below the ground. So basically groundwater is depleting and that is extremely threatening. Let us see an activity for better understanding. We take a half-filled water bottle with a hole at the bottom. Naturally, the water comes out of the hole. Can it be possible for lifelong? Obviously not. But if we fill the water again and again, then the process may continue lifelong. But if we provide less water, then the water level automatically decreases in the bottle. And the same thing happens in underground water table. Water drawn from under the ground gets replenished by seepage of reservoir water and rainwater. However, water table may go down when the usage is more than the supply. Let us see what are the main factors affecting the water table. As the population is increasing so fast, the use of water is increasing for various purposes. For example, the groundwater is used for construction purposes. Sometimes the groundwater is used for all the household purposes and a lot of water gets wasted as well. Development of industries and factories could be another reason, because when we set up industries and factories, then actually we clean out huge area of forest land. As a result, the source of groundwater gets wasted and it is not able to increase. Another reason could be agricultural need. For agricultural purpose, sufficient amount of water is needed. At lot of places, there is not enough rainfall and other sources of water. Then what do? They utilize the underground water for agricultural purpose. Another factor affecting water table is deforestation and decrease in the effective area of seepage of water. Construction of concrete roads, buildings decreases the open areas, which in turn decreases the seepage of rainwater into the ground. Scanty rainfall is another factor that depletes the water table. So, on one hand, we are consuming more groundwater and on the other hand, we are allowing lesser water to seep into the ground. This results in depletion of water table. The distribution of water over the globe varies from place to place. In India, the rainfall is not same everywhere. Some regions have excessive rainfall while other regions have very little rainfall. Therefore, some regions in our country may have floods while other regions may suffer from droughts at the same time. All of us knowingly and unknowingly waste water while brushing teeth, shaving, bathing, washing and during many other activities. Since the total amount of water in the world is limited, so we all should use water wisely. You might have seen water supply pipes leaking and a lot of water coming out through the pipes. It is the responsibility of the civic authorities to prevent such wastage of the precious water. The rainwater can be used to recharge the ground by the process of water harvesting or rainwater harvesting. A farmer using water in the field can also use water economically. You may have heard about drip irrigation. Drip irrigation is a technique of watering plants by making use of narrow tubings which deliver water directly at the base of the plant. There are a number of ways you can adopt to minimize the wastage of water, like turn off the tap when you brush your teeth, take a shorter shower, fix a dripping tap, install a water butt, water your garden with a watering can. What happens if a potted plant does not get water for few days? The plant dries up and ultimately dies. This is because all the plants need water to get nutrients from soil to prepare their food. What will be the consequences if water is not available to the plants? The green characteristic of the plant shall be lost. This may mean the end of life. For a world without plants shall mean no food, no oxygen, not enough rain, and create other problems as well. Now, we have discussed unequal distribution of water, various factors affecting groundwater depletion, modern technology of farming, what roles we can play to conserve water, how plants and animals get affected due to shortage of water. So, dear students, this is all about this chapter. Hello students.
Hello ma'am.
On the basis of our reading the chapter, here are some questions for you. Please try to answer the questions. And the first question is, what are the main factors affecting water table?
The main factors that are affecting water table are increasing population, scanty rainfall, industrial and agricultural activities, deforestation and decreasing of the affecting area of water seepage.
Very good, Novita. Here comes the next question. What is meant by infiltration?
The process of seeping of water to the ground is known as infiltration.
Very good, Aditya. Let's move to the next question. And the next question is, what is aquifer?
The places where groundwater is stored between the layers of hard rocks below the water table is called aquifer.
Very good, Aditya. Could you tell me what is drip irrigation?
Drip irrigation is a technique of watering the plants with the use of narrow tubings which deliver water at the base of the plants.
And with this, we move to our next question. And the question is, could you name the places receiving high rainfall?
The heavy rainfall places in India are Maisinram, Cherrapunji, Agumbe and Mahabaleshwar.
Very good, Aditya. And now comes the last but foremost question. And the question is, what are the effect of water scarcity on plants?
The green character of the plant shall be lost, and this may mean to end of all life.
Very good, Novita. And so with this, we come towards the end of this chapter. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.